Hello all, this is Miss Macklemore. I am creating this video in order to help you figure out how to submit assignments to turnitin.com. If you are not here today, October 18th, 2018, when we go over it step by step in class, or if you just need additional assistance when you're at home. So first, I would start by going to Schoology because I have created a step-by-step document to look through. So I would start by going to Schoology. I would click on the class that you're in, either 3rd or 5th, it doesn't matter. And once that screen loads, I would click on General Information because you can use this information for any assignment that you're going to have to submit to turnitin.com in the future. So then I would click on turnitin.com Account Creation and Submission. And once that screen loads, you will see how to create an account and how to submit assignments. So on turnitin.com, I see that the very first step here is to navigate to turnitin.com if I need to create an account. So I'm going to go to turnitin.com, I'm going to click create an account, and then I'm going to click on student. Okay, and you're going to need a class ID and a class enrollment key, and that information is right over here. This is the class ID and enrollment key for 3rd period. This is the class ID and enrollment key for 5th period. Please make sure you copy those exactly before you tell me that it does not work. All right. Then, of course, you're going to input your first name and your last name, email address, confirm the email address, and your password. Okay. Please know that I won't have access to any of this information, so you need to make sure that you write it down somewhere and you keep up with it. I'm going to make copies of this handout today in class, which I would suggest you write down this information on, or if you have some place where you keep all of your usernames and passwords, you need to do that as well, because you don't want to forget and have to create new accounts or go through the process of recovering that information. So once you do that, you're going to click, the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA, and then you're going to click I agree, and you will create your profile. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And now I will go over how to submit assignments to turnitin.com. So obviously first, you're going to navigate to turnitin.com, log in, and we want to make sure that in case that's not clear, I write that in there. Navigate to turnitin.com and log in. Then click on the course that you're assigned to. So 3rd period, we'll click on 3rd period. 5th period, we'll click on 5th period. I'm just going to click on 3rd. Then you'll see that we have the Socratic Seminar, discussion panel, questions and answers here. Any other assignments will also be listed here as we go through the year. If you're a student, you're going to be able to submit your work by clicking on, instead of more actions for me, it's going to be able to submit your work for you. It'll open up another page, which I'll go over in class when I use a student account, and it'll ask you to upload any type of supported file document, including Microsoft Word or Google Drive. Either of those two will work. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. I will go over it, like I said, step by step in class today, but if you get home or you aren't here and you get confused for whatever reason, hopefully you can use either these written instructions or this video in order to help you navigate this process. Thanks so much.